Hi everyone! In this video I will be explaining electrical resistance. Resistance is defined as the opposition to the flow of electrons through a material. Water running through a pipe is a common way to model resistance. Let's say that the pipe is equivalent to an electrical wire. The water represents the flow of electrons or current as it flows through the pipe. The water is pushed along by a pump, which can represent the voltage. At this point here, the pipe becomes smaller. The water is forced through a smaller area, causing the water flow to slow down. This is resistance, an opposition to the flow. The properties of resistance within a wire are defined by this equation. As the length, L, in meters, increases, so does the resistance, R. But as the cross-sectional area, A, which is in the units of meters squared, of the material increases, the resistance will decrease. And as the change in temperature, delta T, which is measured in degrees, increases, the resistance goes up. Note that ρ is the resistivity of the material that the wire is made of, which is measured in the units of ohm meters. This value is different for each material and will most likely be given in a question. Resistance itself is measured in ohms, where ohms is the SI unit for electrical resistance and is named after physicist George Simon Ohm. More generally, resistance can be defined as inversely proportional to current and directly proportional to voltage. The formula is given as R equals V over I. Resistors are a common addition to electrical circuits. They are used to control current flow to other components. A resistor is notated in a circuit as shown. Resistors have their own color coding system, as to easily identify their nominal resistant value when building a circuit. In a 5-band system, the first, second, and third bands, in this case the brown, black, black, are simply the value of the resistor. The 4th band, in this case which is brown, is the multiplier, and the 5th band is the tolerance, which is like an uncertainty. It defines how close the value will be to the nominal value. A 4-band system uses the same concept, but there are instead only 2 numbers used to specify the resistor value and not 3. This concludes the video. I hope it's helped your understanding in electrical resistance.